Thank you for joining me for the PMP Exam Q&A with explanations. This is a YouTube video series where we discuss real PMP exam style questions and we help you build the PMI mindset and question approach. So today we look at question 9. Following several recent conflicts, the project manager notices that team members and external stakeholders handle disagreements inconsistently. Some escalate issues immediately, while others avoid raising concerns altogether. As a result, similar conflicts are handled differently across the project. What should the project manager do? Option A, ask the sponsor to define how conflict should be escalated and resolved. B, encourage team members to resolve conflicts informally before raising them to the project level. C, address conflict situations individually as they arise to minimize disruption. And D, communicate clear conflict management principles and expectations to both the team and the stakeholders. So I want you to pause your video right here and I want you to attempt this question. If you have a piece of paper, write down your answer. If you're watching these, drop your answer in the comment section, okay? Or you can simply keep it at the back of your mind. Now, I hope you are honest enough and you pause the video and you have your answer. Now, let us move on to the explanation. Now, this question is testing your ability to recognize a systemic problem instead of treating individual symptoms. The clue is that similar conflicts are being handled differently across the project. Some people escalate immediately, while others even avoid raising those issues altogether. Now that tells us that the project doesn't have a common understanding of how conflicts should be managed. But we know that according to the PMI mindset, the project managers should establish clear expectations before focusing on individual situations. And that is why option D is the best answer. Because by communicating clear conflict management principles and expectations to both the team and the stakeholders, everyone will be able to understand when to resolve issues directly, when to escalate, and what behaviors are expected of them. Now, this creates consistency. This improves collaboration. And most importantly, this prevents any future misunderstandings. So here's a simple PMP exam tip for you. When the problem is inconsistent behavior across the project, do not solve one conflict at a time. PMI expects project managers to establish a common framework and a clear expectation so that the team handles similar situations more consistently within the life of your project. So that is it for question 9. I hope you got this right. If you didn't, hopefully you'll get the next one right as we unravel other PMP questions. And if you like this video, I would like for you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know of people who are preparing for the PMP exam, kindly share this video series and the link to this channel with them so that they can also benefit from this content. I appreciate your time being here and I hope to see you in the next video.